My name is Jesse Perez.
My name is Abigail Perez.
How I ended up in Northwest State was my sister and my wife attended Northwest State. They intrigued me into the wonderful programs that it offers, and I, being mechanically inclined, wanted to pursue something like that. And I was intrigued by the mechanical engineering and welding program.
At our high school, there's a program called CCP, and they came in one day and gave us a little demonstration of, what you could work with in STEM. And mechanical engineering really intrigued me, and I signed up for one class sophomore year, and then I amped it up, and I took 3 junior year, and I just kept going. So my senior year of high school, I don't have to attend, and I'll be going to Northwest State full time. At DMP in Defiance, they have a classroom up in their factory, and that's where I went. I only attended Northwest State for my comp classes. It was so much more fun. There's windows in the classroom at the factory, so you can turn around and see the machines working. It's a little bit hard to concentrate sometimes when you hear the stamping press, just a loud bang all of a sudden. You're you turn, you look, and then you go back to your textbook and pay attention to what the teacher is trying to teach you. I think it's much better. It's more hands-on. You actually get to see what you're talking about in the textbook.
As a child growing up, I had toys, and I was curious about how they were made and how they worked. So I would take my toys apart to see what was inside. And I noticed a lot of mechanical moving parts. And that's when it all started. I was intrigued to figure out how things work, why things work like that, why did they use that type of material. And therefore, I believe that I'm on the right track, because throughout my career I've been figuring out that a lot of that makes sense now. I acquired a welding long-term certificate from Northwest State, which that led to fabrication, and I started playing with bigger toys. I started fabricating telecommunication towers, which was pretty amazing, because I had my own plasma cutter, welding machine, oxyacetylene torches, and those are the big boy toys. So I love playing with that and reading blueprints and knowing how things function and what they use them out there for in the industry, which led me to want to know more of how can I improve a product, how can I make it better.
Through my dad and Brad Gear. He's a man out at Northwest State that helps students find internships at other places, other companies around Northwest Ohio. And since my father was already working here, I decided that it would be, the right idea to come work here with him so we could ride together, and it just brought us much more closer together, just working at the same company.
Brad Gear, intern coordinator at Northwest State, he mentioned about the opportunity. He's always pitching us wonderful opportunities, and he told me about the position and what it entailed, and I was very much interested because it has to do with manufacturing and maintenance, which is an area that I like to focus on and I'd like to be in, and that's how I ended up in this opportunity. I would love to see Abigail succeed in the engineering field, specifically speaking with a master's degree in mechanical engineering. There are wonderful opportunities for women, and women are much needed in the engineering world.
I want to see him be successful and accomplish all of his goals that he has and get his degree, his master's degree, doctorates maybe, call him Dr. Perez. I want him to have his own company one day, because I know that's what he wants. A fabrication company, or at least his own factory for manufacturing cars, because I know he loves to work with cars, and I just want all his dreams to come true.